Welcome back, news reporters. I think you guys have done such a fantastic job of researching your event and thinking about the different perspectives. 2 days on the job, you guys are rocking it at our newspaper. So let me show you what you're going to be doing today. First thing is reviewing to make sure that you are up to date. Your deadline is quickly approaching at the newspaper, and we need to make sure all of your work is on track. So you're going to go to slide 5 and make sure all of these questions are answered, as well as your primary and secondary posted. Are you missing some things? Don't worry. All of your information can be found in your articles, including the answers to your primary and secondary sources. Now let's go to yesterday's work. Your job was to include 2 different perspectives. When we did our Sylvia Mendez example, it was people that thought schools should be integrated, which means everyone should go to school together, or schools should be segregated, which means certain students should go to certain schools. Answer these questions, list the people that were involved. I would say you need at least 2, but most of our events had more than just 2 groups of people involved. This is optional in case you thought of maybe another opinion that people had about the situation. Here's today's assignment. You have all of the evidence from your sources, plus the perspectives of others. Now it's time for you to weigh in and explain your own opinion. From the evidence that you have in the articles, what do you think really happened? Think back to that video we saw of the man running down the street. Lots of different ideas on what was going on until we had all of the information we needed at the very end. Who do you think was right or wrong? Notice that the words, what do you think, who do you think? These are your own opinions, which means as long as you type something, there are no wrong answers, but you have to explain yourself. Last, what would you have done if you were there? My favorite question, asking you as an activist, now that you know what it takes to work for the common good, what would you have done? And then, of course, don't forget about the post-it. Why should anybody care about this? Meaning, what is the impact on our future? Then, when you're done answering slide number 10, you are done for today. Great work, my little news reporters.